Want to add payment method on StockX? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily add payment method on StockX. Start by heading over to your application StockX or move into any of the web browser. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and then head over to My Account. In this page, tons of different options are visible. Head over to Wallet. Now simply scroll down and in the section of Payment Method, you'll see the option of Add right here. All you gotta do is click on Add. In order for you to add the payment method, first of all you have to enter your billing address. Enter your first name, last name, your country, address, state, province, and zip code. Also enter your phone number as well. Once you have entered, click on Next. And after that, you will need to enter the information of your card. You can add either debit or credit card. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.